Don't want to cough too much, man. I put my mask on, man. Already coughed and followed through, man. Blazing the blueberry Kush. Did a biggie this morning, so thought I'd wrap one up, cough, and did another biggie. You know what I mean? Blueberry Kush. So a biggie. Did a biggie, bro. Oh, jeez. Heavy handy there on the throttle, man. Surprised I set the dry shaft didn't come buckled, come on loose. Come out. The dry shaft come out. It's nearly come out. Let me see if I can push it in. It's nearly come out. I could probably save it and just push it in by hand. See, it's there. If I can just push it in, man. When I say I got tools, man, I got tools. Yeah, this set the drive shaft ain't come out of the crate for ages, man. I've even been bashing this car off camera. I think the disc sounded a bit crunchy again, man. I only just put a new front diff in, but yeah, I've been smashing this car, and not really had a problem with the drive shaft coming apart for ages, man. So stuck it back in. What's this fucking pin? Oh, put that pin back in, man. The grub screw is still in there, isn't it? It's stripped. That's why the pin's fallen out. But it's secure. Once you put the pin in, you put the wheel in, it's secure, you know what I mean? So bang this in quickly, man. Hope I can just make one video, just run on the battery, because as I said, I can only make a 70-minute plus long video. Just run down the battery, man. Fuck it. Yeah, that's in. Where's the black cap? This thing. Now the pin, that pin, yeah, as I said, the grub screw's still in there, and it's stripped. I can't get it out. That's why the pin falls off when you put the wheel on. When you take the wheel off, just make sure it's in there, man. I'll put the wheel back on. That pin still has come off. Minutes. All right. Oh. Oh, it's come apart again, man. It's come apart again. Jeez. Now it's the opposite side. It's the opposite side now, man. Fucking hell, what's happened here? Everything's collapsed. I'm missing the pin for the front front upper A arm. That's why the dog bone's come apart, man. The CVD. Jeez! Now I've got to look for a pin. Fuck.